Okay friends, let's have some depth map fun in the color page and color grade with the depth map. First we go to the effects, then we type in depth, and here is our depth map. We press shift and drag it on the line until it's yellow and then release it, and it snaps right into the right place. What I like to do here is I see the depth map really just as a mask. I really handle the far limit and the near limit pure as black and white channels, so that I really make white what's white and what should be transparent and black what shouldn't. Then I turn that off and I'm doing the color grading in a separate node. So I hit Alt plus S, and in order to feed the depth map to the node where I want to do the grading, I connect this blue box with the blue input of the new node, and now only the masked parts of the image will be affected when I color grade in this node. So for example, I can go and turn down the saturation, so I am black and white here in that colorful environment. And I can also go back to the depth map, just hit invert, and then I have that like in that Pleasantville movie where I'm colorful and the rest isn't. I can of course go here where I see that things don't turn out as planned. I can go and hit post-processing. It will automatically make the fringes a little bit better. And of course you still can adjust. I hope you have fun with that. See you soon in the next one in this playlist. Have fun there.